Is this wireless clip-on microphone set any good? I don't know. Let's find out together. First off, we're going to find out what comes in the set. We're going to talk about the features and settings, and then we'll do a sound test. So this wireless mini lavalier microphone set comes with 2 microphone transmitters and 1 USB-C receiver. It also comes with a USB-C to Lightning adapter if you have a device that needs Lightning instead of USB. But this is a really straightforward microphone set. It's designed for you to just plug it in, turn it on, and get going. You don't need to download an app. You don't need to download any drivers. You should be able to just plug it in and go. So the USB-C transmitter will go into your phone or to your computer, and then the microphones will clip onto your talent. You can use one or both at the same time. These microphones are really small. They have a dark translucent plastic casing with a clip on the back, and you're going to clip this most often right onto a shirt. These microphones pick up sound from all around, so you're going to get the best results by pointing the microphone at the source you're trying to capture, but in the general vicinity of the sound source is good too. But like with any microphone, you try to point it right at the source whenever you can. The kit also comes in this convenient and sleek carrying case that doubles as the charger, so this case can hold a charge, and then when you drop your microphones into the case, they start charging right away. You could also charge your case and the microphones at the same time by plugging a USB-C cable into the charger. The USB receiver does not have a battery inside it. It runs right off the power from your device, so the USB receiver does not need to be charged at all. So this microphone set really thrives when used with the phone. It's designed for podcast or vlogging or whatever. These microphones have 3 levels of noise cancellation, which can come in handy if you're in a noisy room. They're rated to have a long battery life, up to 6 hours of continuous use, and then up to 36 hours total after charging them with the case. And then up to 36 hours total when you have full batteries on the microphones and a full battery on the case. And this microphone is rated to transmit up to 164 feet. Line of sight is going to be important to reach the top level of that range, but that gives you a bunch of space to move around and do what you need. So enough of me talking about this unit. Let's go ahead and grab my phone, plug this in, and we'll do a sound test. So we have my phone out. We have the USB-C receiver in the phone. I have the microphone clipped up right on my collar here. So what you're hearing now is the sound coming from the microphone to the phone. And that is the sound you can expect in your experience too. Now, I don't have a way to live monitor this right now, so I have no idea what it sounds like. So you and editor me are going to find out together what this sounds like. But that's all it is. It's microphone, USB receiver, phone. And I'm going to turn off all the compression and EQ I use. I'll probably adjust the volume to match the rest of the video, but other than that, it is just straight audio from the microphone to the phone. And that is how most people will use this. That is how this thing thrives. That is what this is designed for. So that is the sound quality. We do have a few different settings we can adjust. If we do short presses on the receiver, that cycles through the noise cancellation options, and we have 3 levels of that. I'm going to get really close to the camera now. Short press 1. This is level 1 noise cancellation. Check, 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 1, 2. Short press 2. 2 blinks, so we're in the 2nd level of noise cancellation. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then short press 3. Level 3 noise cancellation. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you all and editor me will find out together what those sound like. Now this microphone also has voice changing modes, which I have no idea what those sound like. Again, I can't hear what I'm recording. So you and editor me are going to find out together what these sound like. And to get to those, we have to double press the button on the receiver. So we have adult male voice first. That is a blue light.
This should be adult male voice. Check 1, 2, 3. I'm already an adult male, so does this make me sound even more masculine? I don't know. We're going to hit it again. Blue light flashes twice. This is going to be sweet. What do they call it? Sweet female voice.
Now we're in sweet female voice mode. Sweet female voice. Do I sound like a sweet female? I don't know. I'm a middle-aged male person, so sweet female is going to be out of character for me, but maybe this does it. I don't know. You and editor me are going to find out together. 3 blue light flashes means we're back to the original sound.
So we should be back to the original sound now. That was 3 blue light flashes, and that should be it. So we have 3 different levels of noise cancellation, a couple different voice options, and it's all wireless. It syncs together easily. No app, no software, no nothing. Plug it in and go. So if you're in the market for a compact lavalier microphone system, completely wireless, you don't need an app to use it, no drivers, no Bluetooth, just plug it in, turn it on, and you're good to go. Maybe this is for you.